Hi everybody, it is Debbie and I am here to share my March collection that I received from Chic. I'm on her design team, and I wanted to let you know what I am doing with this month's collection. So I will link Lynette's channel below. She does a walkthrough and shows the product. I'm just going to do a short video today showing you how I've organized some of my items and how I plan to use them. This is, as Lynette says, a little bit of a departure from what she normally does in terms of her style. I love these colors. There's like a navy blue and blacks and creams and this burgundy. And to me, it reads somewhat masculine. The inside is her typical kind of page layouts, except for addition of some black paper, and she included a white pen, which is so fun. I love writing with that. And then there's a bit of a feather theme to match the word, which is wings. So I thought about how March is my birthday month. I was like, well, does this apply to me? How could I use this or whatever? But I really am going in a little bit of a different direction, and I've already started this month's journaling. But what I thought this would be perfect for, and I know my son was my theme last month, but he graduates from high school in June. And so what I would like to do is create a book to hold tags and that people can write messages to him in at the graduation party or dinner or whatever it is we do. And so then he can have this book that has a collection of everybody's wishes for him as he spreads his wings and takes on this next part of life. So that is my intention with the book. And I'm still kind of thinking that through, how I will set that up in here, and what would be easiest for people. But here is how I've arranged my things, much like always. All of the little doodads that came with the kit. I haven't added anything from my own collection yet. I probably will add a few things. I will probably stick with the bird and feather theme, but probably more inspirational kinds of quotes I'll add. And I have a lot of that kind of thing. And then here are the other items that came in the kit. Oh, this is something I've worked on, a flip with the time card, so I'll decorate that and be adding to it. And then the only other thing I added were these fabric ruffles that I had made. I thought the blue and green would work well. And this bubble wrap is what the white marker came wrapped in. So I plan to put some paint, that's where that word came, and stencil on some pages just for some texture. And then these are all the things which you can see in Lynette's channel that came in the kit. So super fun, little bit of a masculine feel. And that's what I am going to be doing with it this month, or setting it up this month for June. This is some music paper that came included, so I'm keeping that with it. And again, this is the cover, beautiful as usual, and lots of blank pages for creative exploration. So there you go. I will be back in just a bit to show some journals that I have finished in between time, and that will be available if you're interested. Thanks so much, and I am planning out how I'm going to work in this, and so hopefully I can get some craft with me or journals with me, or it's really setting it up. I won't be actually journaling, but and so you can see how I set this up. Okay, talk to you soon. Thanks so much. See you later.